Today we're gonna play Thomas and Friends. Let's open it. I'm excited to open this. I'm gonna eat this.
Hey.
Ah.
Few minutes later.
Ready to play with Thomas and Friends?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh.
See you later, Thomas.
Hi, Cranky.
Thomas, you're late.
They're talking to each other.
Now scoot your caboose.
Really?
Try to pick
Oh,
up the
just
box.
over here.
Good, perfect. Okay, good. And then, yeah, let's drop it right there. Open the clamp. Yeah, perfect.
Ooh.
When the train comes around here, drop it. Okay? Alright, get ready, Shane.
Bye, Thomas.
Get ready to drop. Yeah, perfect! You made it! High five. Elliot, try to drop it, okay?
No, don't.
Oh, way too early. That's okay. One more try. Again. Oh, yes, we made it! High five.